and welcome to this very special occasion here at Temple Beth-El. Today we're celebrating the beginning of the reconstruction of our new social hall.
We have a growing synagogue here, which we are thankful for. You could see it in the school and the kids in the front. You could see it on the high holy days. And as some of the other community centers or Jewish religious areas in Jersey City, like B'nai Jacob, close, unfortunately, this synagogue has been a beneficiary of more and more membership. So the renovation, hopefully, is just another step in the next 150 years.
This new space will provide more resources for the Temple Beth-El community, and it will serve as an important meeting place for members of the congregation and the community around her.
For the next generation of this temple's pupils, it will be a much needed, freer, more modular space to learn. The impending changes are a long time coming and a blessing to the temple's current and future students who are beginning their lifetimes of Jewish education. I think that I can speak for all of us when I say that I look forward to watching the Temple Beth-El community grow.
The first people we need to thank are the generations that came before us. The generations who sustained this congregation for 150 years. Think of all of the meetings. Think of all of the bagels. How many people it took over the last 150 years to bring us to today. They're also the ones that got it together and built this building, bought this land from scratch, a little over 97 years ago. And I promise you from my experience that when you are in this sanctuary, especially by yourself, you can feel their spirits and their legacy very much alive in these walls.